Hello viewers, let's change the format of any audio or video from MKV to MP4, and there are much more options in the setting available of free software called OBS. So let's click File and then Remix Recording. Click on it. A new interface appears and under OBS Recording, click these three dots. Now click on the video which you want to change and click Open. And now click this remix button, and as soon as you press it, it quickly convert the file format. Click on OK. To change the video to the other format on OBS, simply click File and then Settings, and in Settings now click on Output, and an output under Recording, open recording format, open this downward arrow and you will see a lot of options, so you can choose any extension or type for converting your video. Remember, MKV format is better in Crash. However, nowadays fragmented MP4 has also been greatly improved. So let me click it, apply OK. Now let's find the video, click File and Show Recordings, and now you will directly reach where your recordings are available. So let me click the property of both files, simply first file and second file, and you can see the format of the file has been changed by free screen recorder OBS software. Thanks for watching.